Hey, what's going on, everybody? 2019 so far is looking pretty good. And the product I have in my hand is called the Nuraphone. And they claim that it is not a headphone. And I guess in a lot of ways, it's not just a headphone because it's multiple products in one. And you'll hear why as we go along. Now, these are completely noise canceling headphones. And the only thing that I can say that the market that's competitive against them are the Bose noiseless headphones. And I'm going to tell you right now from the start of the video, for all those naysayers out there, sonically wise, these headphones blow away the Bose. And the noise cancellation is just as good. Now, these particular non-headphones feature something called Innova technology. Now, what Innova technology is inside these headphones, you have an in-ear headphone and an outer ear cup. That's right, 2 in 1. 40 millimeter driver on the outside, 15 on the inside. So what you're getting is you're getting all of your high and all your treble going directly into your eardrum and all the bass surrounding your eardrum. And the sound, if I could have shown you the picture on my head the very first time that I put mine on my head, I think it would have been priceless, because the first time I put them on my head, I was completely blown away by the sound of these headphones. Honestly, I've never in my life, and I want to state right up front, I haven't been paid any money, nothing else at all for this product. Nothing. So my opinion is my own, and what I say is what I mean. I never bring you guys product and just say, oh, hey, they're good because they're not good. I'm not going to do that ever. These particular products, if you ever have a chance to put them on your head, you're going to be totally blown away by the sound. Now, before we jump in a little bit more, let's talk about what comes in the package, because you get the Nuraphone headphones. You get a little package that has extra tips for different ear sizes, or, if different people in your family want to use them, you can change them out so you don't share that earwax with all of them. It comes with the USB charging cable, and it also comes with a very nice carrying case to take the headphones around wherever you go. The Nuraphone also features a technology called Clean ANC, and what this means is that there's no sound going in and no sound going out. Now, it features passive noise isolation or active noise cancellation. And what's really best about these headphones is that everything can be operated by these outside buttons on the headphones. And another unique thing is the headphones only turn on when they're actually on your head. That's right. When you put the headphones on your head, the headphones automatically become active. Now, you can do all kinds of different things by single and double tapping on each different side of the headphones. You can answer your phone, you can change the way you listen to your music, all kinds of different options, which is pretty cool because it makes everything completely hands-free. And let's just face it, if you're running down the street or you're on a treadmill and you got to answer the phone, you don't want to really have to use your hands very much. You just want to be able to go up, hit a quick button, and be able to answer your phone call and go back to your music and go on with your day without any hassle. And what's even better is that you can also customize all of these options within the app. And let's just say that you have the noise cancellation on and you're listening to your music, but all of a sudden someone comes up to you and they want to talk to you and you can't hear them. Well, they also got a mode called the social mode. You engage the social mode and all of a sudden you can hear everything around you and you can pop back into your isolation or cancellation. It's up to you. Now, as far as connectivity goes, these particular products are completely wireless. They run off Bluetooth technology. It doesn't matter whether you have an iPhone, whether you have an Android phone, whether it's a tablet, as long as it has one of those type things on it, just connect up to the Bluetooth and you are up and going. It's very simple to do, makes a quick handshake, and you're good to go. The Nuraphones also feature a lithium-ion battery that has up to 20 hours of active use. Now, this is quite a long time, but what's also really neat is that it honestly tells you out loud in a spoken voice how much battery life you have left. So if you're doing something and you're busy and you're not really paying attention, all of a sudden your headphones are going to die on you, they're going to give you a warning telling you, hey, you need to charge these headphones up. They're about to die. It's too bad you couldn't customize the voice, because that'd be pretty cool. You're about to lose your headphones. You suck. No, I'm just kidding. But that would be pretty cool, right? If you could actually customize the voice. Thoughts for the future, Nura. Thoughts for the future. Now, let's talk about the sound of these headphones. Now, for me, just to talk to you about the sound and the sonic capabilities of these headphones, I know to you it's just going to come across and be like, hey, it's just a bunch of words, Mr. Elric. That's why I say that for stuff like this, it's really good that you go someplace and you can test these out and hear them for yourself. But really interesting factor about these headphones. The very first time that I put them on my head, I was honestly blown away at the clarity and the bass. It was unlike anything I'd ever heard in my life before. These things get so loud and you can adjust the bass so far up that it literally sounds like someone's sitting there kicking a bass drum onto your ear. Really incredible stuff. The sonic characteristics about this are just unbelievable. That's why I say Bose stuff to me is pretty good, but it's very flat sounding. I feel that Bose stuff is dead. I know opinions vary, but me as an audiophile and musician, I've never been a fan of Bose stuff other than it is high quality. But to me, sonically wise, it's very flat and dead, which some people actually like. But me, I like options. And with these, you can turn the treble way up, you can turn the bass way up, but check this out. These headphones actually learn. That's right, they're actually a smart product as well. And even though they really don't actually say that directly on their website, they are a smart type product. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, Elric, how can a headphone, be personally for me? Well, there's a way these headphones actually learn and they make the headphone exactly for you. They have two different modes you can turn on. There's normal and then there's a personalized mode. And I think what this is doing is pretty much you go in and you set a song to how you like it, whether it's pop, rock, jazz. You're going to have sonically so much bass, so much treble, so much mid-range. So these headphones are going to sonically look at that, and the next time that you go play a song, they're going to try to recreate that same environment for you with that song, right? That totally makes perfect sense. Basically, I think it's kind of like an EQ memory that kind of, once it hears what you like and the sonic things that you like, every song that comes on, you can hear it in the beginning as it kind of makes its selection, and then it changes it and makes it to the way that you want to do it. So instead of having to go into the headphones and every song go in and change the equalizer around and go, oh man, okay, that song doesn't sound good to me. Well, with these headphones, these non-headphones, the Nuraphone, it does it for you automatically. And that's really an excellent feature. I've never seen this on any other product in my life, ever. And this is the truth. You can look around and see something like this, but I have never seen anything that acted sonically like the Nuraphone. Nuraphone, however, they describe the technology a little bit different. They're claiming that a sonic signal is sent into your eardrum, and then that sound comes back into the headphone, and then it takes that and remembers it and maps the sonic capabilities of your ear. But even saying that, that still has a lot to do with the equalization of the song. So I think that what they're saying is true, but I think that what I'm saying too about the equalization is also true. I think that we're probably both right on this particular subject. But at the end of the day, if you want a set of headphones that are completely noise canceling, you don't want to hear anything around you, have options to turn them on, very, very easy to operate by simply clicking buttons on the outside. You can answer your phone. It has a really nice microphone in it. When you talk into the microphone and talk to somebody out there, it's not like it's booming, so it almost sounds like it has a compressor inside of it, so your voice comes across, evenly when you're talking to people. So for the price of these, it's very interesting. You can get these for about $376, $79 on Amazon right now. I think they're $399 on their site. But truthfully, this is an editor's choice product for 2019. These are one of the most unique and awesome sets of non-headphones that I have ever seen in my life. Sonically, they are amazing. Now, one thing I was kind of bummed out about the connectivity, however, is that I wanted to be able to hook these up to my studio behind me and try them out as studio monitors, because sonically wise for listening to music, they're amazing. So I thought, hey, how would these things sound in my recording studio? But unfortunately, the design for the connectivity is completely proprietary. And even though I guess they're going to have third-party devices, nobody's actually going to have the connectivity for the cable except for the people at Nuraphone. And they also have a plethora of cable choices, so whatever device you need to hook up to, they've got a cable for you. Unfortunately, though, you have to buy it. But I'd buy that for $20. So here are my final thoughts on the Nuraphone product. These are very, very comfortable. The headband is nice and soft. You can adjust them so they can fit any way on your head. I really like the fact that they only turn on when you actually put them on your head. When you put them on your head and you get them in your ears, they'll turn on. Everything is operated by the buttons on the side of the headphone. You can keep all the noise out, go into social mode, talk to people. 20 hours of battery life, it always lets you know. And then as soon as you take the headphones off, the headphones automatically turn off on their own. There's no technology that I have seen out there on the market, anything like this product right now. And like I said, for 2019, as far as headphones go, this is a serious editor's choice product. I really wish that I could bring the sonic value and everything across to you, but unfortunately this is a video and it's really hard because of the way the headphones are designed for me to show you both ways of the sound. With traditional headphones, I can put a microphone and just put the headphones around it, but these headphones work different because you have to insert the ear cups into your ear, and I can't really do that with a microphone, so the simulation wouldn't actually be a true representation of the sound. But like I said, trust me on this. If you listen to these, you'll agree that they blow the Bose away. They're cheaper than Bose. We'll have a link below. You can go to their site, check out more information about the product. And if you want to buy one for yourself, you'll actually be blown away. And like I said, I honestly can't wait to buy the other cable, hook these up in my recording studio, and see how they sound monitoring the music that we're making here at Tech Tomorrow. Like usual, we'll have a link down below if you guys want to check out any of my music. We've got it over on iTunes. We've got our Patreon site going. If you want to be subbed, I'd love to see you subbed here on the channel. 2019 is going to be a different year for us. We're going to be doing a lot of musical stuff as well as tech, just because I'm a musician and that's what we're doing, and I don't really feel like doing 10 different channels on YouTube. So things are going to be neat. We're going to try to combine music and technology all together. By the way, any of the music that you ever heard on Tech Tomorrow, we are the people making our own music. We write our own music. We bring it out to you guys. So peace out. Love to see you guys back here on the channel. Nuraphone. It's not a headphone.